Hey guys, welcome to Kurt's RPM Garage, and in today's video we're going to be adding this Homelink mirror to my F150 XLT. Mine is a Lightning, but this should work on the normal ICE versions as well. So the XLT and Pro or XL do not come with any way to open the garage from the computer or from your mirror or anything like that, so this is going to remedy that. These mirrors came on Kia and Hyundai products. I'll add a link to what you need to look for. I got this one on eBay for about 30 bucks shipped, and then you also need this harness, which I have in my hand as well. That was another 30 or 40, so we're about 60-70 bucks into this total. There is a cheaper way to do this with some splicing and whatnot, but I'm going the kind of easier route just to kind of be it plug and play. So yeah, let's get this thing hooked up and see how it is. All right, first step, you're gonna take a T15 Torx, and there's a little screw right here. I've already removed it. Go ahead and take that off. I have a dash cam as well, so I'm kind of working around that. But once you do that, you just kind of pull this thing forward, and this will come right off. And the nice thing is the new one will just pop right on there. Really easy. Next up, we're gonna take this cover off so we can do some wire management. Just kind of work at the edges. I already got this side off. Now let's go over here, and we'll pop this off. There it goes. So we got a few clips holding that in, and now I'm gonna get this thing unhooked. I'm gonna take a flat head and do that off camera, and then we'll do a little bit of wire management, get this thing plugged in and hooked up, and this should be a quick one. All right, next step, this is the harness that was plugged into the mirror, so just go ahead and push this tab and kind of wiggle it out. It's pretty tight, but that'll get it right out. You see, I have another harness here. I got harnesses on harnesses, so here's my new harness for the new mirror. So this is just gonna plug in like so, and then I'm gonna start wrapping some of these things around here and get as much of this in there as I can so it looks as clean as possible before putting that plastic cover on. So I'm gonna do that off camera, and then we'll keep going. All right, we got it installed. Unfortunately, my plan to tuck everything up here did not work. There's just not enough room. Those buckles are way too big, so I ended up just kind of wrapping it around here as best I could. We'll take a look at it. So it's kind of a rat's nest back there, but otherwise, everywhere you look at it, it's relatively clean, so I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up now. I believe we have power to it now. Yep, looks like we're good. So yeah, everything looks great. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.